Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the homepage of this channel. Thank you. Hey there, I'm working on getting stuff ready for tomorrow. Don't forget, I'm going to eat with Suzanne at lunch, so we are not doing anything for lunch tomorrow. I'm going to put in 2 eggs and some cheese. I'm going to put in 2 of my burnt pieces of bacon. Well, 2 halves of bacon, so it will equal 1 slice of bacon. So there's one, and there's one. Poor pitiful bacon. And what I'm going to do is tomorrow, whenever I'll break it up into my eggs, and I'll break it up and it kind of disguises the taste a little bit. So that is what we're going to do for one part of our breakfast. We are out of yogurts, and so I would like to have some guacamole. So what we're going to do is, my yogurt was about 80-90 calories, and guacamole is 80 calories for 60 grams. So we're going to take 60 grams of this guacamole. Okay. I'll try to scoop off the brown stuff off the top. That'd be better. Alright. So now, got that going. Put that back there. I am going to put in this is going to be the fastest meal prep I ever did the night before. Well, I've probably done almost as fast. I'm going to put in a little bit of everything bagel seasoning. Just because I really like that flavor with that. Well, I liked it with avocado, so I'm sure it'll be just as good with this one. So then I'm going to kind of tap it down. And so I'm taking my breakfast. There's definitely no counting anything tomorrow because I'm going to eat. So I got my eggs, got my guacamole, and my bacon. I'm also going to take an apple. I'm going to have that after we go out to eat. So that's what I'm taking tomorrow. I don't have to take any silverware. Ha, ha, ha. I use plasticware in the mornings. So I'm going to pop this in the refrigerator. And I've already got my coffee. I'm making up some more coffee for tomorrow, or for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. That makes 3 servings, 12 cups do. So it makes 3 servings of my coffee. So, all right, put this in the refrigerator, and I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. It's breakfast time. Got my eggs and that pilly little burnt bacon and the cheese wedge. And so I've got this, and then of course my guacamole. So it's kind of funny, I'm letting this cool down. In the evening times, past few nights, like about 7 o'clock, I like to just go lay down and detox from the world and just like watch an old movie on my iPad. Like last night I watched the movie The Messenger about Joan of Arc, and it's funny because at some point in my time with my iPhone, I downloaded several different movies. A couple nights ago I watched Young Guns. So anyway, it's just been nice at about 7 o'clock, just turning everything off, not listening to anything, not having to think, not having to converse or anything, just shutting my brain off and just watching a good old movie. So what do you all do at the end of the day? Like, what is your end of the evening routine? Not necessarily like when you get home from work, but what's your end of your evening routine look like? I've really enjoyed just turning everything off and, no texting and not even TikTok. But just spending some time just watching a movie. So what do you all do in the later evening hours? Okay, so here's my breakfast. I think maybe it's cooled down. I put salt and Creole seasoning in it. You can still taste the burnt, but it's okay. It's okay. It ain't gonna kill me. All it is just burnt bacon. So it's not like it magically transforms into something brand new just because I burned it. So I am just gonna keep on going. So here's my guacamole. I got that much coffee. I've been drinking a whole lot. So, okay. See you at lunch. No. I'll tell you what I have for lunch. Okay, bye. Hey there. I just left Applebee's. Had a supervisor meeting. And just want to tell you what I ordered. I ordered it was the lunch sirloin. So it was a 6-ounce sirloin. It came with some garlic green beans. Those are really good. And then and I ain't worried about what they're fried in and all that stuff. When you go out, you eat what you got, and that's what you got. So anyway, I had the garlic green beans, and then I also got a side salad with, I think I said ranch. I don't remember, ranch or blue cheese. But anyway, at Applebee's, you have to pay extra for the side salad, but I understand why. It was really a nice one. Like, it had cucumbers, and it had a nice amount of cheese, and I don't know, it seemed like it was a nicer side salad. So I think it was like $2-3 more. But anyway, so 6-ounce sirloin, the green beans, and the side salad. And that's what I had for lunch. I'm actually going to go back, and I'm going to, at work, I brought an apple. Yes, I know, I'm having an apple. But anyway, so I'm going to have an apple, and that'll be it. And then I'll see you at supper. So I just wanted to let you know, I'm not going to show you an apple. You saw me toss it into my lunchbox. So I'm going to eat that when I get back. I didn't have any dessert or anything. It's kind of cool because I had my laptop, and the person I was with sitting across me got just a teeny tiny little lunch dessert. It's like only $1, and it was definitely not, I mean, it was worth more than $1, but it was just a teeny tiny amount. So anyway, but my laptop lid covered it, so it was perfect. Anyway, it wasn't in my line of vision. Not that bothers me anymore. It doesn't bother me anymore to see people eat it. But anyway, so it worked out well. So it was a great lunch meeting, and had good discussions, and had some good food and healthy options that I was satisfied with. And now I'm on my way back to work. Hey there, I'm home, and supper, we're gonna have steak, mashed rutabaga paste, mashed rutabaga, and some fruit. Hang on, let's see how it tastes. Okay, well, steak, come on, steak. It's hard to mess that up. I don't care if it's burned. Just like bacon, it's gonna taste good. And this was that mashed rutabaga that I made. I called it rutabaga soup, but really it's more like baga paste. But it tastes good. Hot but good. And then I got some fruit, and went to Walmart tonight, and we're gonna do some stuff tomorrow. So I don't know when this flow shows up versus when that shows up. But yeah, I was watching some Brenda Gant, so I got an idea. Okay, bye.